a flexo label printing company which is based in Mexico City, Mexico. Several years ago, our company was trying to make a decision on selecting a new ERP system. The system we had had for about 5 years. It had some useful features in it, but we felt we needed something better. And so we began the process of trying to find something. Of course, we talked to several vendors that we already knew, but pretty quickly decided that it would make better sense to retain the services of an independent consultant to help us in the identification and selection process. We had a number of different options, and we decided to choose Profectus principally because they had a structured approach to selecting a company, and they also had a good set of questions to use in the selection process. The structured process was certainly good, and in retrospect we can see it was quite beneficial to us in making the decision. They took us through a number of steps we really had not thought of and would not have thought of had we not used them. We went through several days of first identifying what our requirements were, and my business partner and I, after each day of doing that, looked at each other and said, clearly there are a lot of things here that we haven't even considered in our decision before this point. After that, we went through that, and Profectus took us through a process of identifying a number of good vendors. We then interviewed those vendors, got down to a short list, and then selected a company out of that. A key benefit of doing this was time saving. Obviously, my business partner and I are not in the business of searching for software on a regular basis. We have other jobs to do, running the business. And so looking for something like this at best can be a part-time occupation. And by having Profectus there to take the lead and guiding us through us, we clearly were able to both continue doing our jobs, get to a good decision, and be able to get to it without a lengthy time process. If I were doing it again, I would recommend Profectus to help us with it, because I believe that the approach they took was very good and others could benefit from it, both in terms of the structure, the process, and the potential time savings for them.